Hey guys, what's up? Meg here from AVO. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. Today we have a new 4-wheel campers camp out that we just installed on this Bison. So I'm gonna walk around and show you this camper. Let's check it out. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, click that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about anything 4-wheel campers, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@ashevillevehicleoutfitters.com or call us at 844-667-3687. And as always, you can stop by AVO Jax to see our camper showroom in person. Alright, bye guys!